Hey everyone, today we have our brand new 2026 Tesla Model Y Juniper in diamond black, and honestly, this color looks absolutely stunning on the new Model Y. As we quickly walk around the car, you can see how good the diamond black finish looks, especially with the updated design of the Model Y Juniper. From the side, you get this really clean and sleek profile, and particularly for this Model Y, which is sitting on the 19-inch cross-floor wheels, which complement the black exterior really well. But today, we are actually going to be focusing on protecting the interior of this car. As you can see, we have already removed the basic floor mats that came with the Model Y, and this is what the floor looks underneath. So you have this carpeted surface across the driver and passenger areas, as well as the second row. And obviously, this is something we want to protect, especially from the dirt, mud, water, snow, and everyday wear. This is how the trunk and the rear seats of the Model Y Juniper look, and we need to take care of this as well. So to protect the interior, I ordered this 12-piece Michelin floor and trunk mat set from Tread Auto, specifically designed for the 2025 and 2026 Tesla Model Y Juniper 5-seater. The complete set costs around $249 US, and what's interesting is that you're not just getting the regular front and rear floor mats. This is a complete 12-piece set that covers pretty much all the major areas of the car, from the passenger cabin all the way to the front and rear cargo. As you can see, we have other features mentioned here as well: driver side non-slip, and also you can see the detailed features of this, like the liquid diversion channel, 360 raised wall, anti-slip studs, OEM clip compatible. The packaging looks really good, and unlike a lot of other mats you typically find on Amazon, Michelin also includes this nice good quality storage bag, which definitely gives the whole package a more premium feel. So firstly, to start with, we have the rear floor mats or the second row floor mats. Let's see how does it look and the quality of them. So as you can see here, this is the second row floor mats for the Model Y Juniper, and it looks really premium and really well built. So this is the overall final look of the second row floor mats. So next up, we have the rear trunk cargo mat. Let's open this and see how it looks. Yes, so this is the rear trunk cargo mat, and look at this. The overall quality as I hold this is really good, and you can see the lining on it, which makes it easy to clean and which makes the water flow better. And you can also see the Michelin branding here. Next up, we have here is the front driver side floor mats. Let's see how does it look. Also, the main important thing about this is that we need to tuck the mat edges under the door sills to fit it perfectly. Overall, the quality looks really good, and you can see how it's beautifully designed, and the Michelin branding as well. So just take a closer look. So next up is the front passenger floor mats. Let's take a closer look of this. This is the rear trunk lower storage mat, and then we have the front trunk mats, which is really very important. And then we have the rear seat backrest mats. As you can see here, these comes in the pieces of 3 for the rear seats, and it has a built-in velcro that makes us easy to stick for the rear seats. As you can see here, it's really well placed, and the overall quality of this is really good. You have to really test this, and you can see from the video as well, the overall quality looks good, and we have the velcro. This is one of the advantages of this set that we don't usually see with many other floor mat sets on the market. You also get the center console side liners, which provide some extra protection for the carpeted areas beside the front seats. So I'll show you later how we install this, but this is really one of the added advantage of this 12-piece Michelin floor mats from Tread Auto. And next up we have the rear trunk sill protector. Let's see how it looks. Yep, this is how it looks, and it's really premium and made of good quality material. So here we have the complete 12-piece Michelin floor and trunk mat set laid out, and you can really see just how comprehensive this package is. Instead of covering only the basic front and rear floor areas, Michelin has included protection for almost every major carpeted and cargo area of the Model Y. Starting with the front driver and passenger floor mats, the overall quality feels really solid, and you can immediately notice the deep raised design around the surface. Michelin uses a tri-level anti-slip system, including this micro grip pattern that helps provide a better grip for your feet while driving. You can see the Michelin branding here, and you also have this rapid flow slopes which are designed to direct water away from your feet, along with a deeper max flow channels that collect and contain water, mud, snow and other debris at the bottom of the mat. And these raised edges around the sides, the idea is to keep all of that mess contained within the mat instead of reaching the carpet underneath. So this is the packaging that we got in here. We also get the Michelin bag, and this is the second row passenger floor mats. Overall, this rapid flow slopes, max flow channels and a tri-level anti-slip system makes it the best value for money. So this is the rear trunk lower storage mat, and let's do some quality test to see how good these floor mats are from Michelin. Overall, I'm pretty satisfied for the pricing and the 12-piece set of this Michelin floor mats for the 2026 Tesla Model Y Juniper. So this is the front trunk mat, as you can see here. And then we have the rear seat backrest mats. So it comes as a piece of 3, and then you also have this velcro on the back side of it, which makes it easy to stick. You can see the overall design of this, and it comes in a piece of 3 with the velcro. What we can do is we can just stick it at the rear seat back side. And next up, as we move here, as I mentioned here, we also get this sidewall liner for the center console area. I haven't tried this or haven't seen in any of the videos yet, so we are gonna try to install that as well. And finally, here is the trunk floor mats, and again you can see the Michelin branding and the overall good quality of the floor mats. And finally, here we have the rear trunk sill protector, which is really important as we put on the luggage on the 2026 Tesla Model Y Juniper. We also get this installation manual from Michelin, which you can refer to while installing each of the pieces. But overall, the installation looks pretty straightforward, and we'll go through each piece step by step as we install them. For the installation, let's start with the front trunk mat. And as soon as we place it in, you can see how perfectly it fits. The shape matches the front area really well with an excellent edge-to-edge coverage. It's clearly custom designed for the Model Y Juniper, giving it a clean OEM style finish. Next up, we'll install the center console kick plates. I really like that Michelin includes these because they add some extra protection in an area that can easily pick up dirt and scuff marks. So make sure you install this first before installing the floor mats, and look at this. as we are installing this, they really have a clean OEM style look, and the smooth protective surface should also make this area much easier to wipe down and keep it clean. Now moving on to the floor mats, let's start with the driver side front floor mats. Let's place it into the position and see how well it fits in the Model Y Juniper's floor. And the other important thing about installing the front driver side floor mats or the passenger side floor mats is that we need to make sure we need to tuck the mat edges under the door seals. So this is an added advantage of this Michelin floor seats because it provides the full protection. As you can see here, while installing, you need to make sure that you tuck the mat edges under the door seals. So this is on the front passenger side. So let me show you how we install this front passenger side floor mats and make sure that we tuck the mat edges under the door seats. So now let's move to the second row and install the rear passenger floor mats. This is a single piece design that extends across the entire second row floor, including the center section, giving you much better overall coverage. The raised edges and the deep channels also help contain water, dirt, debris, making the floor much easier to clean and maintain. Look at this. How well it has perfectly fit in the second row seats of the 2026 Tesla Model Y Juniper. Next, let's install the rear seat backrest mats which protect the carpeted backs of the second row seats. To make the installation easier, we'll first fold down both the rear seats, giving us full access to the backrest area before positioning each mat into place. So since I already mentioned these mats comes with a built-in velcro, it's really easy and really simple to install it. Make sure we place it properly and then attach it with velcro. That's it. It's that easy and that simple and really makes the overall Tesla Model Y Juniper look better, premium, and easier to maintain for cleanliness. So let's start with the center seat area and place it just like that and then use the velcro. So now let's see how the rear seats looks once the rear seat backrest mats are completely installed. Let's move the seats back to their original position. So let's automatically fold the rear seats here and see how it looks. So I have already installed the rear trunk cell protector and this is how it looks. And now let's move to the rear trunk lower storage mat and see how it fits. So this is the rear trunk lower storage mat and you just put it in here and it fits in perfectly. You can see the overall Michelin branding also and the perfect fit for the size. It's designed accurately for this. And this is the overall rear trunk cell protector, rear trunk lower storage mat, and now we are going to install the rear trunk cargo mat from Michelin. So the installation is complete and this is how it looks finally on the rear trunk of the Model Y Juniper. So finally let's do something a little more exciting and put these Michelin mats to the test. As you can see here, I'm going to pour milk directly onto the front mat. So this gives us a good idea on how well the raised edges are and deep channels contain the liquid without letting it spill over. As you can see, all the milk is now at the bottom of the front mat. So now let's see how easy is it to clean these Michelin front mats. As you can see, I'm using just one hand of mine and just water. Look at this. This is truly amazing and look at this, how easy it's to clean. With just one hand, I'm pouring the water and it's getting cleaned really easily. So overall, I'm really satisfied with the quality of these Michelin floor mats and the simple, easy way to clean them. Look at this. Let me know what you guys think about this. I think it's really easy to clean the mud, dust, or anything.